Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. As someone who is in the journey towards the union or yoga with the Supreme Soul, have you ever given a thought that how we should face the world or what should be our approach to the world? Today let's find out together the outlook of life for a yogi in today's fast-paced world. In a time filled with distractions and chaos, many people find themselves yearning for peace and purpose. As a yogi, my journey has taught me that this quest is not only achievable but essential. Let's explore together how we can cultivate a yogic perspective amidst our modern lives. Life in the modern world is often overwhelming. We are bombarded with information, expectations, and the constant pressure to perform. But as a yogi, I have learned that amidst this noise, we can find stillness. Yoga teaches us the mind is like a wild monkey, jumping from thought to thought. So we must practice mindfulness. Whether it's through meditation, breath work, or simply being present in the moment, we can ground ourselves. Let's take a moment to reflect. Close your eyes if you're comfortable and take a deep breath in and out. Notice how the breath brings you back to the present moment, away from the worries of tomorrow or the regrets of yesterday. This simple practice can be our anchor in the stormy seas of life. Another essential aspect of yogic life is compassion, both for ourselves and for others. In our pursuit of success, we often forget to be kind to ourselves. Remember, it's okay to rest. It's okay to say no. And just as we nurture our own well-being, we must extend that compassion outward. In today's world, with social media and constant connectivity, it's easy to forget that everyone is fighting their own battles. A small act of kindness can create ripples of positivity. Let's take a moment to move our bodies. Stand up if you would like and join me in a simple tree pose. Shift your weight to one foot, place the other foot against your inner thigh and raise your arms overhead. Feel the grounding of the earth beneath you as you reach for the sky. Hold the pose for a few breaths. This pose reminds us that life is about balance. Just as a tree stands tall while rooted deep, we must find our own balance between work, play, ambition, and contentment. In our journey, we also encounter the concept of impermanence. In a world that constantly changes, embracing this truth can liberate us. The yogic philosophy teaches us that nothing is permanent. Our thoughts, our emotions, our situations. When we accept this, we free ourselves from the shackles of attachment. We can appreciate the beauty of the present moment without clinging to it. Now let's talk about the importance of community. In today's world where individuality is celebrated, finding a tribe, a community that supports your growth is vital. Engage with others who share your values, whether through yoga classes, workshops, or online groups. Together we can lift each other up, share wisdom, and create a collective energy that nourishes our souls. Ultimately, the outlook of a yogi in today's living is about integration. It's about finding ways to incorporate yogic principles into every aspect of our lives, our work, our relationships, and our daily routines. So how do we do this? Start small. Set aside a few moments each day for reflection. Practice gratitude. Engage in acts of kindness. As we conclude our time together, I encourage you to embrace your own yogic journey. Life may be filled with challenges, but it's also brimming with beauty, love, and opportunities for growth. Remember, we are all connected, and together we can create a world that thrives on compassion and understanding. Thank you for sharing this moment with me today. If it really reached out to you, please press the like button and do share it with your social circle. Namaste. Stay safe, stay sattvic.